Today we're going to be installing a roof rack on the Mazda 3 with the dog. The car is dirty as hell. It's winter time, okay?
Welcome to Canada, where it's always cold.
Here are the instructions. Study them well. I can't feel my fingers. Okay. We need to remove it. I gotta put protective film on these two things here. So we're just gonna put that right on there.
Get it?
I don't know if you guys can see, but I slipped and fell. It's snowing. It's snowing out. And I realized yesterday that I didn't record myself actually putting any of these on, so I'm going to show you how to do it, because I felt bad. Also, please don't mind the mess in here. Winter got here a lot quicker than we were expecting, and I got halfway through doing the drywall, so. I'm using a metal tool, so I would use something to protect your paint. So you're listening for 4 distinct clicks to know that you got it in place. You're going to put the first one right here in this little pin. And you want to make sure that you are underneath the weather stripping. Kind of work our way to the back of the car. Heard that one? And there's another one right about here. Click, and the last one, click. And you want to make sure, like I said, that it is underneath the rubber right here. These 4 pieces that you pulled out of this part here, you want to make sure that you keep in storage in case you have to take the rack off. We want to set the roof bar in these U-shaped cutouts right here that you can see. We're going to set them on, and then we have to use a key to unlock the crossbar to put it in place. You might be wondering, why am I doing it on a different day? My fingers were too cold to continue yesterday. Okay, I think this side here with the round side is the front, whereas the flat side is the back. Counterclockwise to unlock it. Got a hex bolt here to tighten with the tool that you get. My hands are still frozen. Set this down into the channel. There we go. And just in case you want to see close up. So this is the bolt we're tightening. You want to make sure that it lines up under there. Should be that little opening there's the bolt. So you just want to make sure that lines up on both sides before you screw them completely tight. But then you're just going to put the tool that you got with it. Crank it until tight. There. Final product with the messy ass garage. That doesn't look too bad, eh?
Well, like he always says, this channel that this video is going up on always consists of him spending a shitload of money. Next time he spends some money, I guess we'll see you guys next time then.
That's on God.
Oh, did you show him the idiot that fell?
Yeah. What an idiot.
What a